class. In this video, we are going to discuss very important questions of class 9 social science, that is history chapter Western religions. These are not only a few of the questions, but these are very important questions which could be asked in your exams. So be very attentive and do not skip any part of the video. So let's get started. But before that, if you're new to my channel and watching my video for the first time, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification of all the upcoming videos. So let's quickly start with the short answer type questions from this chapter. So first question here it is, which is the birthplace of Jesus Christ? Answer: the birthplace of Jesus Christ is Bethlehem. Next, where was Christ crucified? Answer: Christ was crucified on the hillock of Golgotha. Next question, where was Muhammad the Prophet born? Answer: Muhammad the Prophet was born at Mecca. Next, what are the successors of Muhammad the Prophet known as? Answer: the successors of Muhammad the Prophet are known as caliphs. Now we'll see long answer type questions from this chapter. First one, list down the teachings of Judaism. Answer: the teachings of Judaism are: do not have any other gods, do not make or worship idols, do not disrespect or misuse God's name, remember the Sabbath and keep it holy, honor your mother and father, do not commit murder, do not commit adultery, do not steal, do not tell lies, do not be envious of others. So these are the teachings of Judaism. Students, if you want to see the answers, you can pause the video and observe or note it down or take a screenshot of it. So now let's move to the next one. Write about the teachings of Zoroastrianism. Answer: goodness will be victorious over the evil in their competition. Man should choose goodness. Their god was Ahura Mazda. Fasting, celibacy, and cleanliness are some of their practices. So these are the teachings of Zoroastrianism. Next question. Write about the life of Jesus Christ. Answer: the birthplace of Jesus is Bethlehem. He was the only son of the poor couple Joseph and Mary. Jesus knew Aramaic and Semitic languages. Jesus was baptized by John. John declared Jesus as the Messiah. Jesus was 30 years at that time. Jesus started traveling through Israel preaching religious philosophy. Jesus sympathized with the downtrodden and those who suffered from diseases. He always came forward to alleviate the suffering of the poor. So this is about the life of Jesus Christ. Next, write a note on the life of Muhammad the Prophet. Answer: the founder of Islam religion is Muhammad the Prophet. He was born at Mecca in 570 CE. Before his birth, he lost his father and lost his mother when he was 6 years old. Thereafter, his uncle took care of him. Muhammad was employed to service in a rich widow's house. Later, he got married to a widow and had 2 sons and 4 daughters. He used to meditate in a cave in Mecca. Once, while he was meditating, he heard the voice of an angel saying that Muhammad was the prophet of God, Allah. Muhammad spent rest of his life preaching the divine gospel. In the year 622 CE, he traveled from Mecca to Medina. This journey became popular in the history as Hijrah. Next question. What is Hijrah? Answer. The Orthodox community of Mecca began to oppose the Prophet. Due to this, Muhammad the Prophet could not preach in Mecca anymore. In the year 622 CE, he traveled from Mecca to Medina. This journey became popular in history as Hijrah. So, my dear students, these were few questions. Now, let's move ahead. What are the rules of Islam? Answer. The rules of Islam are firm belief in one God and Muhammad as his prophet, that is Kalima. Praying 5 times daily facing the direction of Kaaba, that is namaz. Fasting during the Ramzan month from sunrise to sunset, that is roza. Donating 1/4 of their earnings to the poor, that is zakat. Visiting Mecca at least once in their lifetimes, that is Hajj. So these are the rules or the teachings of Islam. So this chapter deals about various religions. So these are the questions related to it which are important and likely to be asked in your exams. So with this question answers, we come to an end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you all. If you found the video helpful and interesting, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. For more such helpful and important videos, do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. We'll be back soon with more such important videos. Till then, stay safe and